What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video, guys, is about a stock that will double. In addition to that, guys, I'm going to bring out the candlesticks and teach you guys all about what they are really saying and meaning. So now, moving forward, when you see candlestick charts, you now can know and understand fully what's going on. Listen, guys, we are going to have a jam-packed day. Class will be in session, so I need you guys to be ready to take a few notes. But also, man, if I helped you in any way, I don't care if that was help you make a little money or give you a different perspective on the stock market. Do what you can to help. Give us a like and subscribe, man, on our road to 100K. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, guys, for this week, I need everybody to type hashtag everybody eats. On a road to 100K, your boy is currently sitting at $83,055.49. I am going to be intentional about making sure that we all eat this week, okay? I don't care what the market do, whether it's down or up, we are preparing to dominate, okay? So if you're ready to eat, hashtag everybody eats. Listen, guys, I got a jam-packed one for you today. If you're new here, I welcome you guys. Make sure you guys in the VIP section show newbies some love. Again, we're a family over here that every day we love the stock market and making money, okay? So listen, guys, today it's all about a stock that's going to double. But before I talk to you about a stock that's about to double, let me show you a stock that is close to doubling. Guys, ticker symbol SBE, otherwise known as switchback energy, but we call it charge point here on the channel. Is currently sitting at $26.45. Let's look at my portfolio, guys. Okay, check it out. My position is currently 275 shares. Check out my average cost. We got this at 13. Check out the total return. We are at 89 cents. We are 11% away, or $1 away from this being a home run, okay? So I'm thinking this week, again, this should stay and maintain around 27, but you guys know this is a $30 play for us as our first price target, and when that happens, we're going to celebrate. So put hashtag easy money. Listen, guys, we're about to have a phenomenal week, man. I just hope you guys are excited as I am about Monday, okay? Guys, without further ado, let's take a look at the stock that's going to double very soon. Okay, guys, this one should be no surprise to you all. This is LCA, ticker symbol LCA, currently sitting at $13.99. Listen, guys, this is a buy zone. I taught you guys about consolidation the other day, and this is what this has been doing, trying to give you guys an opportunity to buy. Let's look at my holdings. Guys, I'm currently sitting at 315 shares, $13.69 average cost in this. This too is a $30 play, and that is where it's headed when the merger comes and beyond. I don't care about the merger. I love the industry. Just like I told you guys what DraftKings would do, this will do the same thing. And so listen, if you're ready to make some money, hit a home run, please do what you can to get your minimum 125 shares. For those of you that can't get 125, again, do what you can to get around 20 to 25 and ultimately try to get 50, okay? That is the standard for when you can't get 125, okay? You're gonna still celebrate the same type of gains. It'll just be with those amount of shares. And so don't despise the 125. That's just, again, for those that can. But for those that can't, get 5, get 10, work your way to 15, get 20, 25, and if you can, let your end goal be 50 in these same plays. I don't care if it's LCA, SBE, Neo, Hyliion, Plug, whatever the case may be, okay? Let's get ready to eat. For those that don't know, this merger will be happening at the end of the month. I truly believe it will happen officially in December. But again, I'm not banking on that. I'm banking on the company. Golden Nugget Online Gaming is a great business, okay? Don't get caught up, guys. Matter of fact, when you guys are doing your research, I know SPACs and EV is all the hype, but as real investors, we have to be more deeper than that, okay? You got to know who these companies really are in the private sector, okay? This is one of the best stocks out there, okay, doing what they do. They're just trying to go public so they can be on the stock market. So don't get it twisted. LCA is just a way for them to be able to trade on the stock market. This real company, Golden Nugget Online Gaming, which is what it will be called. But you guys know the hotels, you guys know the casinos that's called Golden Nugget. They have been official. They have been a stalwart in the space. And so guys, this is just more good news that's on the way. We are just waiting for this stock to do what we know it will ultimately do. Okay guys, class is in session. Up next is our word of the day, and our word of the day is candlesticks. Listen man, if you can, take a few notes for me today. I'm going to break this one down somewhat simple so that I make sure that you guys understand what you need to know about candlesticks, okay? I know there's a lot of information, but sometimes we can get information overload in terms of how we research, what we research, and then the journey becomes discouraging or overwhelming. That's not what I do. That's not how I teach, okay? I'm going to break it down in a way where you should say, okay, I understand that. Okay, I can apply that. Okay, that makes sense to me. Now I can go out and use this and make better decisions, okay? So guys, let's get ready to take a look at the candlestick chart. Okay guys, we have two type of charts here. I want to draw your attention to your left, which should be the all black chart that's filled in, okay? Look at the longest line, okay? That will be your low price. Okay, that means that if you're looking at stock X, whatever stock X is, a random particular stock, that is the low that it hit within that particular day, okay? And then I want you guys to look at the high price. That is what you guys know, like for instance, SBE last week hit over $28, and so we really had 100%, okay, return on our investment, those of us that bought at 13. However, the high didn't hold, but that was the high for that day. The top of a candlestick is always where the price opened at, and the bottom is where it closed at, okay? And this is when you're looking at the black chart, okay? So make sure that you are looking at the right chart, okay? And so again, you will notice if you take your eyes to the second candlestick, the open is on the bottom and the close is on the top, okay? Why is that? Okay, guys, it's important to understand that if a stock closed up or down, that will dictate the candlestick, okay? You might see it as green and red, or in this particular case, it's black and white. But that should be your indicator in terms of what the stock is doing. How did it close and where did it open, okay? Did it open high? Did it open low? Did it close high? Did it close low? And those are your indicators for how to read the chart, what the chart is trying to tell you. And then those lines that spring from the chart is just the highs and the lows of what the chart did within that particular day. I oftentimes talking to you about price fluctuation, and so this is one way to know how much a stock went up or down within a given day, okay? And then depending if you're looking at the chart from a 1 month period or a 3 month period, you will see more movement or more candlesticks, okay? But listen guys, this is just a quick lesson on what the actual charts is talking to you about in terms of what the lines are indicating, okay? Pay attention to both because they're both means two different things, okay? But if you understand it, it's just simply you knowing if your stock closed up or down on a given day, or was it green or red, okay? Simple and plain. Listen guys, I hope that was helpful. That's just a little candlestick work, and I feel like that's what you need to know about the candlesticks. Of course, you can go way deeper in depth with it, but I believe that it makes it more overwhelming the more you try to go, okay? So if you can just, again, screenshot that and just understand fully what the candlesticks mean, what the long line mean, what the top mean, what the bottom means, I believe that you will have all you need to know for what the candlesticks are actually signifying. Listen guys, up next we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Travis Skeens. He says, as weird as it may sound, you have helped me a lot to focus on myself and my financial freedom. I had been struggling with a lot of things lately. Girlfriend of 6 years left, but the amount of focus I had on myself lately is amazing. Travis, I thank you for sending this in. I thank you for sharing this with us, man. What a vulnerable moment, man, and I appreciate it, okay? Because I'm going to protect that, but more importantly, use it to empower others. Listen, guys, on this journey in a way that I'm going to try to empower you guys each and every day, the stock market will have you modifying your entire life, okay? it will make you a better person overall. It will make you a better man. It'll make you a better woman. It will make you tighten up your finances. It will help you grow in your relationship. And if you can get your significant other on board, it will grow you guys' bond together even closer. Sometimes you figure out though that you may be unequally yoked with someone too when you get fully off into investing, because you might be the one that sees the benefit and the power of it, and your significant other might not see it and want to use the money for other things that you now know, because you have this level of wisdom to know how really this could set you free, but she's not a believer or he's not a believer. Okay, so again, man, the stock market is bigger than just making trades. Okay guys, for me, I feel like I'm able to do so much for you guys from a psychological standpoint, from an emotional standpoint, from a building you guys up standpoint. And so for me, again, I just know that it will modify your whole entire life. I'm talking about all areas. You will see yourself just thinking differently. You will drive down the street, and now when you ride past a store, you may research whether or not that company is on the S&P or one of the NASDAQs. You guys will shop differently. You guys will pick up things and look at what you wear from a whole different standpoint, okay? It's life-changing when you fully embrace it and allow it to do what it's supposed to do. So Travis, man, I thank you. I thank you for sending this in. I'm sending love your way, hoping that, again, that you bounce back from the separation from your significant other. But I'm hoping that it makes you whole and that you find someone, if you choose that route, that again likes the route that you're going in terms of investing, because I'm telling you, it will set you up for a lifetime of happiness when you can get your finances in order, your spiritual life in order, your health in order, all because you changed your mind and how you think. So listen guys, if you have comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.